The first step is to open Inbox and click Compose. Type email address and press Enter. Click Subject. Type Subject. Type your message. Scroll down and click More Options. With your mouse, hover Set up a time to meet filled right pointing pointer. Click Offer times you're free. You can choose the duration of the meeting by choosing from the drop-down menu. Scroll up and click in the calendar to find times you can meet. Scroll down and click another available time slot. Scroll down and click Next. Scroll up and click Add to Email. Scroll up and click Send. That's it, you're done.